Let's look at
that was in his mouth.
number 1 on homework. All right. So what this one is asking us to do, hey, pay attention. What this one is asking us to do is to draw a shape, create a dilated version of that shape relative to a center of dilation that's not at the origin. All right? So, well, I'm going to walk you through it. That's why we're doing this one. All right. So I'm going to start out by plotting A, B, C, D, these points. So minus 1, 3. There's my A. 2, 3 is my B. 3, 1 is my C. And then minus 2, 2 is D. So there's my original shape.
2, 3.
Okay? Everybody cool with that so far? Now, the next point it tells us, this minus 4, minus 3, that is the center of dilation. So minus 4, minus 3, right here is the center of dilation. So now what that means is that when we apply the dilation, all of the points on the dilated figure, Natalie, cell phone prison. All the points on the dilated figure will be whatever the scale factor is that far away from the original point. So in other words, if I have something that's 1 unit away from the center of dilation, and my K is 2, my scale factor is 2, the new point will be 2 units away. If it were 4 units away originally, the new points will be 8 units away in the same direction. Thank you. All right? So I can look at each of these points and apply that same thinking in the horizontal and vertical sense. So D is the one that's closest to the center of dilation, so let's use D to begin with. So if I count the distance to D, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2. So up 5 over 2. So the new D will be how many units away?
5.
It's going to be in the same direction.
Up 5 over 2.
This one already is up 5 over 2. My K is 2.
So down 5. So
Okay, hang on. Let's think just vertically to begin with. I go up 5 units to get to where D is. So how many units will I go up to get to the new D? 10. Up 10. If I go up 5 over 2, I'm going to go up 10 over how many?
4.
Up 10 over 4. Right, so this is 5 and 2, so I need another 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, if it were 3, yeah. So there's my D prime. Alright, there's D prime. I'm going to do this in pink. So this is, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's D prime.
Wait, what is C and D?
Center of dilation. Now, I can do that same process with all of the other points, or now that I've got D fixed, I know that all the other points are going to be twice as far away from that same point. So in other words, if I look at from D to A, how many units does that go?
1.
Up 1 over 1. So to get from D prime to A prime, what am I going to do?
Go up 11 over 5.
Landon, cell phone prison.
Now.
Right?
Up how much?
Up 11 over 5.
Up 1 over 1.
No, this one goes up 1 over 1, so to get from D prime to A prime.
Up 1 over 1. Oh, I thought we were...
Up 2.
Up 2 over 2. So up 2 over 2, there's my A prime. Alright? And if I look at from center of dilation to A, it goes up 6 over 3. This is up 12 over 6. Okay, twice as far. Now what is it from A to B?
Down? No,
Those
up
not
0.
Yeah, it just goes straight horizontal, 3 units, right? So from A prime to B prime will be 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my B prime. And now C prime from B to C is how much? Up 2. It's down 2 over 1, so this one's going to be down 4 over 2. And there's my new shape. So does that look like it's about twice as big as the original,
Yes.
with the exact same shape? And it's also twice as far away from the center of dilation. All right, now I'm going to show you something cool that works. If you've done it correctly, you can draw a line through the dilated point and the original point in the center of dilation. Those should all be on a line. And if I do that for all the points, it makes a tunnel.
Do I have to do that?
Yes.
I agree.
Looks like you could drive a spaceship in there. Or if you were wearing a quantum suit, you could go do a time heist like in Avengers Endgame.
What?
Haven't you guys seen Avengers Endgame?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
remember?
No, I fell asleep. That movie was too long.
That movie was like the best.
Just
lazy.
Some people
Wait,
aren't
what?
Yes.
I watched it.
Shut
I know I can see
So
it.
old.
Oh, you're cool.
Oh.
For 3 hours.